This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Steam and Counter-Strike are fully updated. Outdated clients often fail to authenticate. Next, restart your router and PC so cache is clear and DHCP renews. If you're on Wi-Fi, plug in Ethernet to rule out packet loss. Then make sure your firewall or antivirus isn't blocking Steam by temporarily disabling it or adding an exception. This removes common local blocks. Once done, you'll be ready to inspect network routes and Steam connection logs for the next steps. Now you adjust network paths so game traffic reaches servers reliably. Open the Steam and Counter-Strike ports, typically 27015 through 27050, on your router and forward them to your PC's LAN IP. This prevents blocked inbound packets. Then flush DNS and renew your IP to remove stale DNS entries and force a fresh server route. Check your NAT type. Strict or symmetric NAT can break matchmaking, so set your PC to DMZ or enable UP. Finish by validating game files and ensuring anti-cheat can run. Verify local files in Steam so corrupted files are repaired. Then update or reinstall your network adapter drivers and set a public DNS like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 to avoid ISP DNS hiccups. Finally, test with a different Steam account or another device on your network to isolate the problem. If it persists, collect Steam and router logs and contact your ISP or Steam support. Key tip: if matches still fail, temporarily try a VPN to bypass ISP routing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.